goes up fairly straight without flaw. Yeah, unsectioned. Undo that? Yeah.
Just opened up the
Take that apart.
bottom part where we have seen the roof coming and going. But unfortunately, this is the bottom.
Push the red lip on your left hand.
So more than likely, this cone is going all the way from the window down here, all the way up to the second story window. So we're going to have to slowly piece this apart. Right now they're going to start vacuuming the bees. And you'll be able to see some of this comb right away. It's going to be a job.
They just keep building those vertical combs.
Yep. They'll
Wide as they can go.
yep. They'll build it from one piece of wood to the next piece of wood, however long it is. I was just telling your wife that I saw a cutout of goes floor to ceiling, just one big huge sheet of comb, and
Wow.
yeah, they're very interesting.
They built this year. Real soft.
Okay.
Real almost white.
So this on the left would have been older?
Yep.